So I'm going to make a YouTube video on how to embed a YouTube video in my Moodle course. Real quick and pretty easy. Once you're in your Moodle, you're going to go to Turn Editing On. There's a Turn Editing On button that I can click on, or you may have your settings, and then under Settings you can do Turn Editing On. So either place is the same thing. Turn Editing On. I'm going to add a resource. I tried embedding YouTube videos as labels, and while they show up here embedded like this, it takes up some room. I actually decided that I like to embed them as a web page. So I'm actually going, and it helps me track better that way. So if I go in to add a resource and then make a page, I'm going to put some important videos for a standard, or maybe just one video. So I could say H1L1 cells video. So now I can say something like watch this video for homework and take notes. A little flipping to the classroom. When we get back to class, we will highlight important points and start, let's say, taking a look at the lab and jump into that so they have some good background already. Page content. So here's where we're going to put the video. So I have YouTube video over here. I like this cells video. Parts of the cell. Good introduction. So I'm going to click on that.
Let's talk a little bit about this.
So there it is. I'm going to press pause. Now I'm going to go to, at this point, share. I'm going to share this. And I'm going to embed it. The reason I'm going to embed it will keep them kind of in the Moodle. Because if I share this link, it will open up in YouTube, and they might get distracted when they see YouTube open. This will just keep it in the Moodle. So I embed. The other thing that you may consider is the size. They can always maximize it. Either one of these two sizes is fine. Okay, so either one is fine. I'll just leave it on that selection. The other thing I'm going to suggest is this right here is unchecked. Do not show suggested videos. People will put in tags that have nothing to do with their video, and then they show up. Again, they might get distracted. So we are going to leave that unchecked. Any changes I make here, if I jump down to that size, it will update the embed code here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy that code. I'm going to switch back to my Moodle now. And in here, I need to click on this HTML button. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to paste the code in. Now I'm going to click on update. My YouTube video looks great. I want all students to be able to see this great video. So I'm not going to limit it to just my grouping. And I'm going to save and display just so I can see what it looks like. Okay, cells video. It's probably going to load. Let's try going back to the main page. And there's my video. Let's click on it. Ah, there it goes. Just had to refresh. So now the kids can watch this video. Press play.
Let's talk a little bit about the structure of the cell.
This is a 21-minute video, exciting video on everything they need to know about cells. When it's done, thankfully, no suggested videos will show up because I checked that. So when it's done,
this is pretty much. I haven't delved into detail in everything.
Look at that cell. It's colorful. What else could they want?
A better big picture view of how things are organized.
All right, big picture view. And it just ends. So no suggested videos. Great. I can navigate back to Biology 1. And the way I set this this cells video up, I can actually track if whether or not they watched it or not. Okay. So and then obviously if they were supposed to take notes, we could look at that. Anyway, that's how you embed a YouTube video. Thanks.